Okay. Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad.
Hello! Welcome to Drift Friends TV. So, let's carry on with messing about with the little M54 S14, you see? Or M5014 as I like to call it. So, let's begin with a story.
Let me tell you a story, John. There was a sculptor.
Sometime, not last week or the week before, come up here, having a chat with Mr. Dick Fab as you do, innit? Having a play with the car, and I thought, a couple of boys, let's show off, innit? Not show off, let's see, show them what the car can do. So basically went out, did a bit of this. And a bit of that. And as we were driving back, there was a knocking coming from underneath. So obviously, it looks like I've broken the car already. But that's the thing with testing. This is why you got to test it. You know, wouldn't want to have done that after paying however much to go on a drift day and then it breaking. So let's have a look, is it? Jack it up. Oh my god. Leave the doors open. Get some of this moisture out. Moisture! Moisture! And yeah. Let's jack it up. Let her air out a bit. And see what's going on underneath. Just to say, I did a waterless wash and wax on this last week. Put some nice pictures up because the front bumper was looking the same colour as the rest of the car. Sick. she ain't going nowhere. So, what I thought we might do first is give her a start. Give her a start. Let's see what happens. See if we get. Here's the part of it. Right, so I can't do anything obvious, and I don't know if any of you can. If you can, let me know in the comments. All I can think now is just do a little net and bolt check from underneath. Look at my flipping here. Give her a little run. Put everything back together, see what happens, and then we'll go from there. Oh, oh, smoky tip. Let me tell you a story. Two were loose. Like the one side, the one pair on the driver's side, which is where the noise was coming from, but I wouldn't think it'd just be those. Right then. Let's go for a test drive. Fan on. You don't go far. Right, I'm sure you all would have heard that. You would have heard that. That definitely sounded like something was loose underneath and was just spinning round, and I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to, I think, put on the ramp, properly net and bolt check everything, and go from there. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you watched this far, give us a like, drop us a comment on anything you, well, you know, there's a lot more knowledgeable people than me in the space. You know, I'm just here to do my bit and drive the shit out of it. So yeah, subscribe if you'd like, that'd be nice. Drop a like, comment, like I said, and keep an eye on the channel. See you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
But you left me alone inside these empty, broken walls, and I can't see it clearly, but it's obvious. I know